to Closer's Adventures. Today we're going to be eating sushi. It has crab meat, salmon, and shrimp. Let's dig in. And I'm drinking aloe and milk. And I have seaweed. This is how it looks like. Friday I went to the pool and I remember I did a flip in the water. And I remember I kept drinking the pool water because I was thirsty. I don't drink the pool water, I might drink it by accident. How it looks when you wrap it in seaweed. I'm going to look at this one. It's a little bit spicy too. When you don't put spiciness in it. Still spicy. This story. Once upon a time, one day, a boy named Casey failed. He was playing outside and then he failed, and then on the next day, he failed again. Once upon a time, my sister was playing with my cousin, and then on her board, I put poopy butt on it. I've been quite weird. That was interesting. Comment down below if you like sushi. I have one more thing left, but don't worry. I got backup. While I'm eating, I'm going to think of another story. See, look at them back there. Oh, and comment down below on Roblox if you play Anime Fighting Simulator. Hello, prepare to meet your death. I remember one time when I was watching this show called Salmon Cat. I remember in an episode, I remember a cat, but it's actually not a cat. But I remember at a time when she was at camp, I remember she saw someone poop in the lake. Oh, and comment down below if you like salmon, if you know Salmon Cat. And if you know Victoria's, I only said that because Cat is in Victoria's. Don't ever take grass. Satisfying part of captain of Europe, I think. Because I'm ready to start. Okay. Then again, do it. Oh, now, give me the key. Give me the key. Remember the one over there? Remember they said, oh, when they said, take her away. And then they did it. And they said, no. Oh, no. There was some comments for it. Okay, this is the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe and like